morning, students. Welcome to your English class again. Hope you enjoyed your Diwali. Okay. Now, children, in our last class, we have done the exercises of lesson number 10, Parrots in My Garden. We have done exercise A1, A2, B1 and B2. We have finished in the book. Okay, children, today we will do grammar exercise. Now, children, we have learned pronouns. Okay, pronouns are words which replace the nouns. So, what are nouns? First, tell me. Nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. All the names are known as naming words or nouns. Okay. So, names of a person, place, animal or a thing are nouns or naming words. To replace the nouns, we use a word pronoun. So, pronouns are used to replace the noun. When we talk about one noun again and again, we don't repeat that noun. Instead of that noun, we use the word pronoun. For example, I means I. She is used for a girl. I can be used by anyone, boy or girl. She is used for girls, she. Yes. He for boys. He is a boy. He is Karan. She is Rita. She is dancing. He is running. We means we. When we are in the group, we, hum sab. It is used for animals and things. It is a book. It is my English book. Yes, it is a green board. Okay. Then they is used for many, for plural. They, वो लोग, जिसमें हम नहीं होते. They means वो. Okay. The boys are playing in the playground. They are playing football. Okay. Then you. You means tum. You are a girl, you are a boy, you are a good dancer, you are a good child, you are a good painter, you are reading, okay, you are eating. Theirs means unka. Yes, it is theirs. So children, take out your books. We will do the exercise in the book also, and I will explain you in the book also. Okay, so today we are doing pronouns. Pronouns are words used in place of a noun. So pronouns are words used in place of a noun. So take out your books, open page number 83 in your English book. Now grammar, page number 83, exercise C1. Read these sentences and note the use of I, they, you and we. So I, they, you, we are pronouns. Pronouns are used in place of a noun. We will read the sentence and find out how they are used. First sentence, Susan, Jill and Jack went for a walk. They, T-H-E-Y, they enjoyed the cool breeze. So there are three children. Susan, Jill and Jack are three people. They went for a walk. Yes, they enjoyed the cool breeze. So when there are more than one person or thing or animal, we use they for them, and we are not included in this. They means wo. We are not included in they. Okay. Next is, my sister and I went for a movie yesterday. We liked the movie. So my sister and I, we are means I am included. हम included हैं इसमें. My sister and I went for a movie yesterday. We like the movie. We means हम लोग. We like the movie. We हम. Okay. So जिसमें हम होते हैं, that is we. Number 3. My name is Meena. I am 7 years old. When we talk about ourselves, we use I. Okay, when we talk about ourselves, we use I. You look tired. Do you want to rest? You means tum. You look tired. Do you want to rest? So you is used for other person. Okay. Now you already know how to use he, she and it. He is used for boys, she for girls and it for things and animals. I, we, you and they are also words that are used to replace naming words. So these I, we, you and they are also pronouns, and he, she, it are also naming words, pronouns that are used in place of a naming word. We have learned this in our previous lesson also. Okay, this is the revision. Okay, so this is the revision of pronouns. There are many more pronouns. We will learn them gradually and slowly. Okay, so pronouns are words to replace naming words. Okay, now we will learn more about pronouns when they are used. When we speak to or write to a person, we refer to that person as you. When we talk to a person or write about the person, we refer to that someone is in, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. That is, then we use you. For example, you are a thief. You stole my pencil. So somebody has stolen your pencil, so you are telling him that you are a thief. You stole my pencil. So you pronoun is used when we refer to some person, when we are talking to some person. They is used when we talk about two or more people. When we talk about two or more people, we use they, They, they. For example, they are my cousins. They visit me during holidays. Now, they are my cousins. They are my cousins. They visit me during holidays. Then I is used when we talk about ourselves. So I is used when we talk about ourselves. For example, I am Susan. I am 6 years old. You can say I am. आप अपना नाम लेके बोल सकते हैं. I am Kanika. I am Dipali. And I am 6 years old. I am 7 years old. I am going to market. I like to draw. I like to dance. I like to sing. Okay. For ourselves, we use I. Now we is used when we talk about two or more people, including ourselves. Now we is used for two or more people and including ourselves. जब हम भी उस group में हैं, then we say we. For example, we all study in grade 1. We are classmates. We means हम सब, we are studying in grade 1, in class 1. We are classmates. When we study in one class, that is known as classmates. We are classmates. When children sitting in one class, they are called classmates. Okay? So children, you have to read this and learn. Okay? Now there is an exercise. You have to do this exercise. C2. Fill in these blanks with I, we, you and they. Number 1. Spiders make me nervous. Dash am afraid of them. So, आपको एक चीज़ और पता है that am is used with what? With, yes, tell me. Am is used with which pronoun? I, we, you or they? Which one? I, yes. I am afraid of them. When we talk about ourselves, we use I. Number 2. My aunt and her children are coming to visit us. So, us is also a pronoun. Her is also a pronoun. Okay. Then, my aunt and her children are coming to visit us. Dash are on a holiday. So, my aunt and her children are many. There are many people. So, we will write which pronoun? You or they? Is tell me. They, they are on a holiday. So they are coming to visit us. Number 3. My sister and I are going to visit our grandmother's house. So my sister and I are. So my sister and I. Yes, you are included in this with your sister. So dash will have fun there. We will have fun there. So we means you are included in the group. So we write we. Okay, we will have fun there. Okay, children, turn the page. Now, fourth one, are dash going to come to my party? So, we are asking the person, we are asking some person that, are you going to come to my party? You, Y-O-U, you. Number 5, the dwarfs looked everywhere for Snow White. Now, there is a story of Snow White. She was poisoned and she was left in the jungle, but 7 dwarfs came there and they looked after the Snow White, and she was saved by the dwarfs. 7 dwarfs. Dwarfs are, yes, Bonnie. So little men. So the dwarfs looked everywhere for Snow White. Dash were worried because she was late getting back home. So dwarfs means many, more than one dwarfs. Dwarf is one and dwarfs is many. So THEY, they were worried about because she was late getting back home. So for many, you write they. Okay. So children, you have revise this exercise. Okay. Then we will meet in our next class. Okay. Revise all this grammar part. Okay. Revise the pronouns. Then we'll meet in the next class. We'll do some more exercises of pronunciation. Okay. So children, do your work in the books. Read the lesson. Okay. And do the exercise. Okay. Have a nice day.